In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Todoist extension on your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install the right Todoist extension, you need to go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser, then log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, head over to this ellipsis and then click on it and scroll down to extensions option. Under this, we have two options: manage extensions as well as visit Chrome Web Store. So for us to get this extension, we need to go ahead and visit the Chrome Web Store, and from here we can now search for any extension we wish. As you can see, we have here a top list of extensions on this Chrome Web Store. However, if you can't find your extension, then use the search bar here to search for your extension. I'll go ahead and just type Todoist like that, and here you can see we have several extensions from Todoist. We have Todoist for Chrome. This is a planner and calendar extension. We have Todoist for Gmail, and also we have Todoist shortcuts, and finally Todoist Shoot. So go ahead and choose the one you wish. For my case, I want to install Todoist for Chrome. That is the first one here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. To know that it's the right extension, make sure it is from Todoist niche. And at the time of recording this extension had a star rating of 4.7 from over 51,000 ratings. Currently, this extension has over 700 users. By the time you're watching this might have changed. So if you see these details, you can also see an overview of the extension down below here. You will know that you have the right extension for you. To add it on your Chrome, go ahead and click on add to Chrome, and this will go ahead and prompt you to add it. Just tap on add extension, and then it will be downloaded and then installed directly on your browser. So if you go now to a whole new tab and go to this ellipses and extension here, and then click on manage extension, you will see a list of all extensions that you have. Alternatively, you can see this list by just using a shortcut here. This is a shortcut for extension. If you click on it and then manage extensions, now you should see a list of all extensions that you have. So that's how you can install Todoist Chrome extension on your browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.